endless electoral processes wear the courts down. When I talk of 36 panels, it means 3 times 36. That's how much electoral matters consume our time and energy. Beyond adjudication, we partnered with Kimpat Development Initiative to strengthen public confidence and develop a communication strategy for election cases. Our aim is to ensure transparency, protect judicial integrity, and counter misinformation. We appeal to politicians and political actors. Democracy cannot flourish if every electoral contest is dragged to the courtroom. The spirit of sportsmanship must prevail. We urge politicians to respect the will of the electorate, accept outcomes in good faith, and place the peace and progress of our great nation above personal ambition. People think that judges like election matters. Why? Why should we? We don't. We would rather take our commercial matters so that we can create employment for our teeming youths that are graduating out every day. Every year we churn out huge number of lawyers, graduates who need jobs. And when commercial matters are held down in court because time has to be expended on electoral matters, we are not helping our system. We keep hearing of corruption, allegation against judges. Please provide the evidence. That's what we need, evidence. Since no one has come up with any evidence to show that they are corrupt or that we are corrupt, I believe that we are doing our best. I know that we are doing our best, and we are enduring a lot of discomfort, but all in good stride out of love for our beloved country, Nigeria. 2 weeks ago, a judge of the Delta State Judiciary, who had retired, was murdered in her room, in her house. She was bounded up. Well, her corpse was found in the morning. What happened, we do not know. But one thing we know is that she was living in an area that was not all that secure. So even after we've left office, we are still not safe because of the decisions that we have taken. So we appreciate the efforts of the Honorable Minister of the FCT, who is bringing the good, his good works from Rivers to the FCT. Because I had the privilege of going to Rivers State to represent the Honorable Chief Justice, then to commission houses that His Excellency built for his judges, and they were owner-occupier houses. There is nothing like having a roof over your head at any time. Standing out, you are totally naked and helpless. But if you are inside the room, anybody who is trying to come in from outside will have to put up a fight. But when you are standing outside, you are helpless. So we appreciate the commitment of the present administration in providing houses, accommodation for judges of all levels, not just the heads of courts. It should extend to all judges. Our service, our sacrifice to the nation is invaluable. We don't have alternative places to go. We do not pass files to other people. We sit down, we write our judgment, we read the files, and sometimes they're very heavy. So we don't even have time to do other businesses to enable us provide for ourselves. So people should please not begrudge us if we are being supported by the government that we are serving. And their support does not change us. We look at the facts, we apply the law. If we fail to do that, there are 3 levels of appeal. The judges can be wrong, but we do not choose to be wrong. We may misinterpret the facts. If you think we do it deliberately, bring up the facts. Go on appeal. Judges should not be weighed down with answering petitions. Appeal when you can appeal. A judicial decision is supposed to be appealed against, not to be petitioned against. Please.